I'm going to be talking about 3 by 3 digit multiplication with an area model. So you can always draw your own area model, okay, like this. Or you can print one out, which is what I did, and I put it inside a plastic sleeve so that I can reuse my numbers, okay? So I will put that on the page, and I'll put a copy of this on the page so you can print it out at home if you would like to do that. Okay, so I'm going to be doing 337 times 542. I split both of my numbers, 300 plus 30 plus 7, 500 plus 40 plus 2. Okay, you can see that the rectangles get smaller as the numbers get smaller as well. Okay, so remember from the last few videos, we're going to be looking up, then over to remember what to multiply. Okay. I'm going to start here. I look up to 7, over to 2. 7 times 2 is 14. I look up to 7, over to 40. 7 times 40 is 280. I look up to 7, over to 500. 7 times 500 is 3,500. Okay, I look up to 30, over to 2. 30 times 2 is 60. Up to 30, over to 40. 40 times 30 is 1,200. Up to 30, over to 500. 30 times 500 is 15,000. Okay, I'm just using my knowledge of tens and my basic facts. Up to 300, over to 2. 300 times 2 is 600. Up to 300, over to 40. 300 times 40 is 12,000. Okay, up to 300, over to 500. 300 times 500 is 150,000 because I've got those 4 zeros. My last step will be to add up all of these numbers. Okay, so this is where this strategy, even if you've used it a lot in the past, you might want to switch over to the standard partial product strategy for these numbers because this might be more work for you. Okay, but again, that's your choice. So I'm going to erase here because I'm going to need to add up all of these numbers. So I'm going to just write my numbers. Okay, I'm just going to go kind of across, making sure that at the end I do have all 9 of my numbers. Okay. Oops, I missed a number. I just want to keep it organized and nice. Okay, so you can see here that if I'm using this area model, I have a lot of numbers to add up. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers, and it's easy to start getting confused here. Also, it takes a lot of room, okay? So you need to think to yourself if this is the strategy that you want to keep using. All right, I've got a bunch of zeros and a 4. Then I have 8 plus 6 plus 1 is 15. I'm carrying my 1. Okay, then I have 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5 is 8, plus 6 is 14, plus 2 is 16. Carry my 1. 1 plus 5 plus 2 is 6, plus 2, 8, 9, and 12. Okay, then I have 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, plus 5 is 8, and then I have my last one here. Okay, so I get my answer. So again, some people really, really like to use the area model, but when we get to have really big numbers, I want you to try the other method and see if that works for you, because this is a lot of addition, a lot of places for you to make a little mistake.